Hello, job seekers. Welcome back to our channel. New here? Please subscribe and thumbs up. Today, we're exploring job opportunities in Brunei, Kuwait, and Saudi Arabia. Stay tuned for the latest updates. Watch till the end. It's worth it. Loyal subscribers, please like, share, and comment if you find it helpful. Thanks for your support.
Required for agriculture and landscaping company in Kuwait online interview. Sales representative for showroom 8 numbers required. Salary 150 KD. Having experience in the same retail sector. Duty 9 hours including 1 hour lunch break. Accommodation, transportation, medical by company. Note, minimum 2 to 5 years of good experience is a must in the above field. Indian or Gulf experience both accepted. Good English communication is must. Yearly vacation with 30 days paid leave. Required for delivery company in Kuwait, client Zoom interview soon. Light drivers, salary 120 KD plus food 30 KD plus accommodation 30 KD. Total 180 KD. Only Kuwait license. Terms and conditions. Duty 12 hours, monthly 2 offs. Maximum age limit 21 to 35 years. Only ECNR passport. Contract 2 years. Passport validity more than 3 years required. English speaking candidates only. Hiring for Kuwait online interview. Commis cold cook 2 numbers required. Salary 150 KD. Commis hot cook 2 numbers required. Salary 150 KD. Commis grill cook 2 numbers required. Salary 150 KD. Commis Arabic cook 2 numbers required. Salary 150 KD. Note, only Muslim candidates can apply. Food allowance 10 KD. Duty 10 hours and weekly 1 off. Accommodation and transportation provided by company. Urgent requirement for leading restaurant Saudi Arabia Jeddah. CV selection and telephonic interview. Heavy driver salary 1600 Saudi Riyal plus 200 plus free food. Saudi heavy license valid or expiry accepted. Important note, free food accommodation plus transportation are provided by the company. 12 hours duty, 2 days monthly leave, age limit up to 38 years. Brunei, CV selection. Indian cook, 10 numbers required. Working video must. Salary 650 Brunei dollar. Approximately 41,000 Indian currency. Free food plus accommodation. Minimum 3 years experience in the same field. Must know all Indian dishes. Age limit up to 35 years. Wanted for Kuwait online Zoom interview. Category Commi 1 bakery and pastry. 2 numbers required. Salary 140 KD. Barista coffee maker. Preferred Kuwait written. 2 numbers required. Salary 170 KD. Terms and condition. Minimum 3 to 10 years experience in respective field. 8 hours duty per day, 6 days in week. No food, age below 40. Accommodation and transportation provided by the company. Only English speaking candidates preferred. Required for leading company in Saudi Arabia. Office selection. Immediate departure. Boom truck operator. Salary 2300 Saudi Riyal plus 200. Saudi heavy license valid or expired. Note, age limit 25 to 40 years. Boom truck with crane capacity 10 to 12 tons. Duty 10 hours including break. Accommodation, medical and transportation provided by company. Saudi Arabia, CV selection, immediate medical. Captain of fishing boat, 4 numbers required. Must Saudi return. Salary 50% from the catch. Fisherman, 60 numbers required. Deckhands, salary 50% from the catch. Experience in below fishing methods: pole and line, long line, gill net, pots and traps, purseine, pelagic, bottom towel, top urgent. Required for leading restaurant in Saudi Arabia. Client Zoom interview going on. Branch manager or cafe manager. Salary 3,500 to 4,500 Saudi Riyal. Bachelor or equivalent in food and beverage. Duty 8 hours, age 23 to 35 years. Contract 2 years. Accommodation, transportation and medical provided by company. Job description: experience working in the food or hospitality industry, managerial experience preferred. Must have a food handler license and be aware of regulation concerning food health and safety. Proven management skills with exemplary organizational time management, communication and customer service skill. A polite, engaging personality, willingness to work as part of a high energy, efficient team in a fast paced environment.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.